Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a custom faceplate in SmartComm PMS. To make a custom faceplate, navigate to the IDE window, click on the screen option and open a new screen. Save the screen under User, SmartComm Faceplate folder. Go to Property Editor and give background color to the screen. Go to the widget box, search LT label, then drag-drop it on the main screen and adjust its size. Go to Property Editor, select Alignment Property, select Horizontal Alignment as Align 8 Center. Give border width as 2. Give point size as per need. Select font as bold. Copy-paste the label and create such 6 labels. After double-clicking on label, name it. Select the label and go to Property Editor and choose the foreground color and click on OK. Repeat the same process for remaining 4 labels. Select the LT label, go to Object Inspector and rename the label. Repeat the same process for remaining labels. Right-click on the blank space of created screen and click on the script. Click on plus icon and click on Save. Click on Property, then click on Add Property. Give the property name. Select the property data type as str. Click on OK. Click on the widget function. Your screen name should appear. Click on Tag at StartLive. Then select Action as StartLive, click on OK. StartLive UI will open. Click on Custom Tag, click on this arrow, give tag data type as float. Click on plus icon. Just double-click on it. Give space, enter plus sign, again space and double quotation, in double quotes write .mx.v_ln.r, this is called string concatenation. Then click on enter. Click on plus icon and repeat the same process for Y and B phase. Click on Edit Code. Code Generator window will open, click on Show Code. Right-click on blank space. Go to Widget List. Select Correct Label. Then set value and remove double quote and give variable name as val1. Copy-paste the syntax and do necessary changes for Y and B phase. Click on Hide Code. Click on Save. OK. Click on Edit Code, click on OK. Click on Save in the script editor. And close it. Click on Screen option. Then create plugin. Enter plugin name. Click on OK. Go to Project Explorer. Then Screens, Users, Widgets and given screen name. And click on it. Go to Widget box, search LT push button and drag drop it. Resize screen. Click on Grid Layout. Right-click on the blank space of created screen and click on the script. Select Push button. Click on plus icon. Click on Save. Go to Property, add property. Give the property name. Select the property data type as STR, click on OK. Click on the widget function, then your screen name should appear. Right-click on blank space. Go to Library Functions. Scroll down and select Self.Open pop-up screen. Select File name. Go to Tools. File Selector. Open it under Screens. User. SmartComm Faceplate. Select Created Faceplate name with dot screen extension. And click on Open. Give title as per requirement. Mention property as tag name. Value as self._tag name. Click on Save. Go to Process Manager window. Right-click on IDE. And click on Kill the selected task to stop the process. To restart the process, right-click on IDE and click on Restart the process. Go to Screen, Recent Screen. Go to Widget box. Search Created button. And drag drop it. Select the button, go to Property Editor, pass device name. Press the Enter key. Save screen and press Ctrl+R to run the simulation. Click on Push button to open the custom faceplate.
Thank you for watching.